All right, we're back again with another Under 3 Minutes with NexJ. I'm Will from the marketing team, and to the right of me is Matt Bogart, VP of Marketing. And today we're going to discuss Nucleus Research's most recent report, the ROI impact that NexJ brought to a global financial services firm. So Matt, if you could give us a little bit of a lowdown on the report and how NexJ was sort of uniquely situated to solve this firm's problems.
Yeah, sure, Will. Great to be back. This is a particularly interesting situation for NexJ. What this project was, this global financial services firm, they had a Siebel Systems deployment that they were looking to replace. And so before I give you a few more of the capabilities that we exhibited to win the deal, I'll give you a little bit of historical context. There was this great firm that was selling CRM into the financial services market through the 90s. Janus Systems was the name of this company. Was able to win business at Merrill Lynch, Lehman Brothers, Goldman Sachs, and a number of the who's who. So a great success story. So successful, in fact, that Siebel Systems decided they needed to take them out of the market and acquire them. So that happened. And it was about 3 years after that, after the non-compete expired, that the founders of that business, Janus Systems, started a new business, NexJ Systems, so the NexJana. So here we are, a few years later, with the guys who had spent a number of years working at Siebel Systems, now going in and looking at some of those older deployments with a very strong understanding of what that looked like, and gave us a significant advantage in helping a firm try to replace that system. So that's one good reason for our success there. And of course, our integration capabilities, our services capabilities, very strong, and were highlighted in the report. And of course, our domain expertise and vertical knowledge is another key reason why that project was such a success.
Matt, I think it's easy to say after reading the report that not only did NexJ help cut, IT costs and licensing costs by about $3.8 million, but they also had a payback period of just under 3 years. Pretty impressive.
Yeah, well, at NexJ, we really pride ourselves in partnering with our customers and making sure that our projects are a success. Running an ROI study against something of this scope, this magnitude, this is a global firm. So helping them achieve these kinds of results is obviously very exciting for us, and we're very pleased about that. So again, we look forward to helping other financial services firms achieve similar successes going forward.
Perfect. Thanks, Matt, for another Under 3 Minutes. If you want to learn more about this report, you can download it on our website for free. If you look at the description box below, we'll have a link right there for you. Hey, maybe you want to say hi to us on social. We're on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. Have a good one.